Hello students, myself Manoj Pandey of Mathematics from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Now today we discuss the topic of sphere. Sphere, what is sphere? Sphere is a three-dimensional solid figure. A sphere is a three-dimensional solid figure which is made up of all points in the space, which is made up of all points in the space which lies
students of class 11 make group
at a constant
all
distance.
the students of class 11 make
This
group
constant distance are called radius, and the fixed point is the center of sphere. So the sphere is like a ball. The sphere is like a ball. When the strip are rotated with the diameter. When a strips are rotated in a diameter, then the strips form a sphere. The sphere has a curved surface. The surface of sphere has a curve. So the all surface of sphere is a curve. So we find the surface as a curved surface. Then we find the surface area of a sphere. The surface area of a sphere is the curved surface area. The surface area of a sphere is the curved surface area. So the curved surface area equal to 4 pi r square. 4 pi r square. So the diameter and r with the radius. Now the word solid sphere is a closed figure. The word solid sphere is a closed figure. Now to find the curved surface area of a solid sphere. When the sphere is divided into two parts, the sphere is divided into two parts, that is a hemisphere. That is a hemisphere. in the hemisphere, the half part is a chord surface area and the upper part is a circular. So we find the curved surface area of hemisphere as well as the total surface area of a hemisphere. The chord surface area equal to 2 pi r square. Chord surface area of hemisphere equal to 2 pi r square, and the total surface area of hemisphere equal to 2 pi r square plus pi r square. Pi r square is the area of circular base. So 3 pi r square is the total surface area of the square. 3 pi r square is the total surface area of the square. Clear? So these three formulae are found in the sphere related to the surface area. So next, to solve the exercise of the related topic of surface area of sphere and hemisphere. Question number 1 of exercise 13.4. Exercise 13.4. Question number 1. Calculate the surface area of a sphere when the radius is 10.5 centimeter. Radius is 10.5 centimeter. Calculate surface area of a sphere. Now surface area of a sphere, that means curved surface area of a sphere. Curved surface area of sphere equal to 4 pi r square, and 4 into 22 by 7 and 10.5 and 10.5. So 7 divided 1.5 and 1.5 multiply 4. 6.0 into 22 into 10.5. So 6 multiply 231.0, that's equal to 1386 centimeter square. 1386 centimeter square is the curved surface area of a sphere when the radius is 10.5 centimeter is given. Clear? Now the question number 2. Question number 2. Find the surface area of a sphere when the diameter is given. When the diameter is given. Diameter 7 centimeter. Diameter 14 centimeter. 14 centimeter. So the radius equal to 14 by 2 equal to 7 centimeter. Then find the surface area of sphere equal to 4 pi r square. Surface area as same as the curved surface area. Surface area is same as the curved surface area, and 4 into 22 by 7 into 7 into 7 and 7 cancel. 4 into 154 616 centimeter square. 616 centimeter square is the total is the curved surface area RA, surface area of a sphere. Clear? Now the question number 3. We find the same as curved surface area and the hemisphere. The hemisphere as the curved surface area 2 pi r square, and the value is radius is given. Then you find the curved surface area. So all the remaining question we solve in the next classes. Thank you.